Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make egg biryani. Let's get started. To boil eggs, I am using 16 centimeters flour. I am placing eggs in empty pot. To boil 6 eggs, I am adding approximately quarter cup of water. Switching on the flame. Setting the audio tone to carrot window for 5 minutes. Audio tone is connected to mobile app. It has raised carrot window. Now we have to switch off the sound and switch the flame to low. Cooking time is completed. I am switching off the flame. Now we have to leave it for rest until 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Eggs are boiled. Now we have to remove the shell and fry the eggs. I have removed the shells to eggs. Now we have to fry them. I have made slits in eggs. To fry eggs, I am using 24 centimeters hot pan. We have to preheat the hot pan first. I am setting the audio tone to roasting window. Preheating is completed. I am switching off the audio tone. Switch the flame to low. I am adding little bit of oil. Into the oil, I am adding little bit of chili powder, bit of turmeric, pinch of salt. Now I am adding the eggs. We have to roast the eggs on all sides. Eggs are roasted on all sides. I am switching off the flame. We have to keep them aside. To make pulao, I have taken 24 centimeters high. Into this, I am adding ghee. 1 teaspoonful of ghee. Whole spices. Green chilies. Onion. I'm switching on the flame. We have to preheat it until the roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I'm switching off the audio tone. Switching the flame to low. Now we have to fry until the onions are golden brown color. Onions are golden brown in color. Now I am going to add 2 tomatoes. Next I am adding curd. I am using half cup of curd. Next I am adding garam masala. Dhania powder, jeera powder, chili powder. Next I am adding basmati rice. I am using 2 cups of rice. For 2 cups of rice, I am adding 4 cups of water. I'm adding salt according to taste. Mint leaves, coriander leaves, mix everything. We have to add fried eggs on top. Now I'm going to close it with 24 centimeters etiquette. I'm switching the flame to high again. I'm setting the audio tone in soft window for 2 minutes. It has reached soft window. I'm switching off the sound. We have to switch the flame to low. Cooking time is completed. I'm switching off the flame. We have to keep it aside until it depressurizes by itself. It has depressurized completely. Now I'm opening the lid. Egg biryani is ready.